Let's take a look at how to enable the child lock on the Kia EV9. So it's very simple. We just look over here at the controls for the windows and our door locks. So we can lock and unlock. And you can see this big button down here has this little symbol that shows no windows and a little child lock there. And so all you want to do is press that. And you'll know that it's on because the little light here is going to illuminate, indicating that you've switched child lock on. And you can see it also on the dash. It's going to indicate child lock on or off. And it's going to do a couple of things. It's going to prevent your kids from being able to open and close the windows. So if you've got little ones in the back seat, if you like to play with the window buttons, that's useful. And it's going to prevent them from opening the door from the inside. So you'll have to go and open the door, unlock the door from the outside, or use your own unlock buttons here. And that's going to just stop them from just popping out of the car when it stops. And again, stop them from opening and closing the windows. You can switch it off very easily if you have adults in the car and you don't need that setting on.